Hi everyone, it's Kimberly, and today I'm going to show you how to get your family set up on GoKid and GoKid Connect. Let's get started. If you're using GoKid through your school, you should receive an email invitation from your school. Open your email and go to Get Started Now to start your registration. Now you can register yourself on GoKid Connect. You'll already see yourself and one of your children there from your sign up. Simply confirm that all of the information is correct and add any other needed information. Create a password and then click Next. Now that your initial registration is complete, let's add additional families to your profile. Start by clicking on your profile icon in the top menu. Here you can add your profile picture as well as profile pictures for your children. This helps your carpool group more easily recognize you. You can also add other adults and other children to your family who might not be at the same school. Finally, you can add a carpool memo that will help other families know what kind of carpools you're looking for, your driving schedule availability, or your children's after-school activities. We can say something like, I would love to team up with 1 to 2 other families for a daily carpool to school. I can drive Mondays and Tuesdays. My son also plays basketball in the winter. With that set up, let's add a family member now. Remember, family members will be able to log into their accounts using their own email addresses and passwords. We'll click on the green plus symbol, then choose if you're adding an adult or a child. Let's add a child. First, you'll fill in your child's name. It's really helpful to add a picture of your child so that he or she is easier for other parents to identify in the schedule and on the driving itinerary. Email and phone number are optional for children, but adding an email will allow your child to log into GoKid as well to see the carpool schedule and know who is driving each day. And that's it. Adult family members are added the same way, but entering an email address is required for adults since they're potential drivers. GoKid will also be using that information to invite them to join your family on GoKid. Send carpool invitations to alert them when it's time to go. Once your family is set up, you're ready to start carpooling.